We have developed such great power, and we do things that people could not even imagine only 20 years ago. But as the saying goes, with great power comes great responsibility. Unfortunately, we are not taking that responsibility seriously enough. The risk for catastrophic failure increases with each new patent and technology development. Therefore, preventing failure by adopting a quality mindset at every level ought to be our number one concern. But it is not. In my work, I reject the idea that there are such things as unforeseen circumstances. My intent is to challenge everyone to see every possible cause for failure, catalog every possible consequence, and design accordingly. This quality process is well known, and its effectiveness has been well documented for more than 2 decades. And yet, we take shortcuts. Still, we ignore countermeasures that seem so obvious in the hindsight. My greatest fear is that the day will come when we fail to adequately control our technology, and that a major global catastrophe will result. Perhaps that day has already come with the failure of the Fukushima reactor in Japan, a failure that should have never been allowed. So, do we wait for something worse to happen, or do we act now?